Hello everyone, once again I am Kajal Jadhav. This interactive flat panel is produced by Cornea World. Today, as we gather to explore the fascinating world of Cornea's interactive flat panels. In this digital age where technology continues to redefine the way we communicate, learn, and collaborate, Cornea Interactive Flat Panels stand at the forefront of innovation, revolutionizing the traditional classroom and boardroom experiences alike. Imagine a classroom where students are not mere spectator but active participant in their learning journey. Picture a meeting room where ideas flow seamlessly, propelled by the power of collaboration and engagement. This is the promise of interactive flat panels to transform passive environment into dynamic spaces where creativity thrives and knowledge is shared effortlessly. Today, we embark on a journey to delve deeper into the realm of interactive flat panels, to uncover their myriad application, explore their transformative potential, and understand how they are reshaping the landscape of education, business, and beyond. Throughout our time together, we will examine the features and functionalities that make interactive flat panels such a powerful tool for communication and interaction. From intuitive touch interfaces to vibrant displays, from real-time annotation to seamless integration with digital content, these devices offer a wealth of possibilities limited only by our imagination. But beyond the bells and whistles lies a deeper significance. Interactive flat panels are not just about technology, they are about people, about empowering learners, facilitating collaboration, and fostering meaningful connection. They are about breaking down barriers, transacting boundaries, and unlocking new pathways to knowledge and understanding. As we embark on this exploration, I encourage you to approach this topic with an open mind and a sense of curiosity. Let us embrace the opportunity to learn from each other, to exchange ideas, and envision a future where interactive flat panels continue to shape the way we learn, work, and interact. So without further ado, let's dive into the world of interactive flat panel and discover the endless possibilities that lie ahead. And right now, I'm going to introduce you our one of the finest product, Cornea's interactive flat panel. With its inbuilt tools and software size, configuration, and how to use them. So without wasting any time, let's get started. What I'm showing you here is the Cornea's interactive flat panel. We also call it name of interactive whiteboard and smart screen. This interactive flat panel can be used in the smart classroom, schools, hospital, conference hall, and many more places. The body features: with aluminium alloy frame, metallic body, active heat dissipation with 4 mm toughened glass. For extra connectivity, this panel comes with multiple USB ports in front and back side, with manual on and off button along with stylus pen and remote. Let's talk about tools here. If you see this small vertical bar here, the both sides, which are used for same purpose, you can just click here. As you can see, the options are mark, split screen, camera, fast file transfer, record, crop, timer, screen lock, stopwatch, freeze, poll kit, calendar, touch overlay, calculator, weather, and PIP. In meantime, I'll explain you what are these tools used for. Mark tool. The mark tool likely refers to a feature or function on the interactive flat panel. User can annotate directly on the screen. Whether it's highlighting important points during a presentation, drawing diagrams, or writing notes. In educational settings, teachers can use the mark tool to engage students by asking them to solve problems directly on the screen, underline key concept, or draw connection between ideas. Second option is split screen. Split screen mode is useful for comparing two pieces of content side by side, such as comparing different versions of document, analyzing data from multiple sources, or evaluating before and after images. Presenter can use split screen mode to display their presentation slide on one side on the screen while keeping notes, references, materials, or a video feed of themselves visible on the other side. This setup helps speakers maintain eye contact with the audience while still having access to supporting materials. In educational setting, split screen mode can be used to display multimedia content alongside interactive activities or assessment. For example, a teacher could show a video on the one side of the screen while launching a quiz or discussion prompt on the other side for students to respond to. The third option is camera. By clicking on the camera option, you can connect cameras like PTZ cameras. The fourth option is fast file transfer. Presenter can quickly share the presentation files, slideshow, or multimedia content from their device to the interactive flat panel. These facilitate seamless transition between presenter and ensure that presentation runs smoothly without delays caused by file transfer. Teams working on project or document can transfer files quickly between their devices and the interactive flat panel. This enables real-time collaboration, allowing team members to share updates, revision, and feedback instantly without the need for external storage device or email exchanges. The next option is record. You can see here the small box on the screen. Screen recording functionality in an interactive flat panel allows user to capture everything displayed on the screen in real time. Here's how it can be used. Screen recording facilitates collaboration and teamwork by allowing user to record collaborative session, group discussion, or brainstorming activities conducted on the interactive flat panel. Recorded session can be shared with the team members, colleagues, or stakeholders for review, feedback, or documentation purposes. We have a next option, crop. The crop tool allows user to trim or resize images directly on the interactive flat panels. This is particularly useful for adjusting the size or aspect ratio of images to fit specific presentation slides, documents, or digital content. User can use the crop tool to remove unwanted margin, borders, or white space from document display on the interactive flat panel. Next option we have timer. A timer feature in an interactive flat panel serves several practical purposes, enhancing productivity, organization, and time management in various settings during presentation or lectures. Presenter can use the timer to keep the track of time and ensure that they stay within allocated time limits. This helps maintain a smooth flow of the presentation and prevents it from running too long, allowing for better engagement and audience retention. The next tool we have screen lock. Screen lock helps secure the interactive flat panel when it's not in use, preventing unauthorized access or tampering with sensitive information, settings, or content. This is particularly important in shared or public spaces such as classroom, meeting rooms, or public display areas. The next tool we have stopwatch. Teachers can use the stopwatch feature to time exam, quizzes, or assessment conducted using the interactive flat panel. This ensures that all students have equal time to complete their assessment and helps maintain fairness and consistency in grading. Another tool we have calendar. Users can use the calendar to schedule meetings, appointments, or events directly on the interactive flat panel. This helps user coordinate schedules, avoid conflicts, and ensure that all relevant stakeholders are aware of upcoming meetings or events. User can set reminders and notifications for upcoming events or deadlines using the calendar feature. This ensures that users are notified in advance of important appointments, meeting, or tasks, helping them to stay on track and avoid missing deadlines. The next tool we have touch overlay. As you can see here, the small icon. A touch overlay in interactive flat panels is a layer of touch-sensitive technology that is placed over the display screen, enabling user to interact with the panel through tough gesture, similar to how one interacts with a smartphone or tablet. The primary purpose of a touch overlay is to enable touch interaction with the display screen of interactive flat panel. Users can navigate menus, select options, and interact with content directly on the screen using their fingers or a stylus, providing a more intuition and engaging user experiences. Another tool we have, calculator, is used for calculating. Next we have weather. The weather option in an interactive flat panel provides user with real-time weather updates and forecast directly on the display screen. User can check the weather forecast display on the interactive flat panel to plan outdoor activities accordingly. The last tool we have PIP, that is picture in picture. This option in interactive flat panel allows user to display multiple sources of content simultaneously on the screen, with one source appearing as a smaller picture within main display. User can view content from two different sources at the same time, enabling them to multitask more efficiently. For example, a user could have a video conference running in the main video while simultaneously viewing a document or presentation in the PIP window. This option helps for performing multiple tasking at the same time. So these are the side tools and their uses. Now let's dive into other feature of this panel. Now, if you take a moment to look at the home screen, you will notice a myriad of functions awaiting exploration. From welcoming guests to configuring browser settings and accessing files, each tool has its own vital role to play in maximizing the potential of our interactive flat panel. The applications are Note, Welcome, Browser, and Settings. Every tool or function has its own part to play. We will start with important function with Note. As we navigate through the menu, you will find a wealth of options awaiting your exploration. By simply pointing on New, you can unlock the ability to create a new document simultaneously. This feature streamlines your workflow, allowing for seamless document creation right at your fingertips. Moreover, the interactive flat panel offers the convenience of accessing pre-saved documents from internal storage with just few clicks. This means that your important files and resources are always within reach, ensuring smooth transition between tasks and maximizing productivity. On the next here, you can save the created pages. You can also import the existing documents from your storage like images, PDF, SVG, and much more. From an export option, you can export the created pages in images, PDF, SVG format. Now moving towards next option, that is cloud storage. In here, you can access the Google Drive and OneDrive. Now let's take a quick peek into the theme section. Here you will find two parallel options, templates and background. These options offer a simple yet powerful way to customize the visual aesthetic of your presentation or documents. Now, diving deeper into the theme section, let's start with templates. These templates offer a plethora of grids tailored for various subjects, catering to diverse educational and professional needs. Whether you are teaching Hindi, English, mathematics, music, and any other subject, these grids provide a structured framework to organize your content effectively. These templates designed specifically for each subject. You can streamline your lesson planning and presentation creation process, ensuring maximum engagement and comprehension. Moving on to backgrounds, they serve as the canvas upon which your content comes to life. Beyond just changing colors, backgrounds offer an opportunity to infuse a presentation or documents with visual flair and personality. From solid colors that evoke professionalism to vibrant images that spark creativity, the options are limitless. Whether you are aiming to capture attention in a boardroom presentation or create an immersive learning environment in the classroom, customizing backgrounds allows you to tailor the visual experience to suit your audience and objective. So, whether you are leveraging template to structure your content or exploring background to enhance its visual appeal, the theme section provides the tools you need to craft compelling and impactful presentation or documents that leave a lasting impression. In addition to the remarkable versatility of the interactive flat panel, let's explore the four distinctive types of symbolic writing and drawing method it offers. The methods are the pencil, shader brush, pointed oval, and magic shape draw pen. Each bring their own unique qualities to the table. We can start with the pencil. Let's consider the pencil. Much like its traditional counterpart, the pencil offers a familiar and versatile writing and drawing experience. Whether you're sketching rough outlines, shading gradients, or adding fine details to your artwork, the pencil provides a natural and intuitive medium for expressing your ideas with precision and finesse. Next, we have the shader brush, a tool renowned for its ability to add depth and texture to your creation. With its soft, flowing stroke, the shader brush allows you to blend colors seamlessly, create smooth transition and add rich layer of shading, bringing your artwork to life with a sense of depth and realism. Moving on to the pointed oval pen, it offers a perfect balance between precision and fluidity. Whether you are outlining shapes, tracing curves, or adding integrate details to your design, the pointed oval pen provides the control and versatility you need to achieve flawless result, allowing you to express your creativity with confidence and grace. Now let's turn our attention to the magic shape draw pen. This extraordinary tool offers a truly unique functionality that sets it apart from the rest. It takes your written or drawn input and transforms it into related drawings, adding a creative and surprising element to your creation. Imagine you just jot down a simple sketch or write down a few words, and with the magic touch of magic shape draw pen, those humble beginnings are transformed into elaborate illustration or designs. You can see here. Whether you are seeking inspiration, visualizing ideas, or simply looking to add an unexpected twist to your work, the Magic Shape Draw Pen delivers with flair. This functionality is particularly useful for individuals who may need assistance in bringing their ideas to life or who are looking for a creative spark to ignite their imagination. By interpreting your input and generating related drawings, the Magic Shape Draw Pen opens up a world of possibilities, turning ordinary sketches into extraordinary creation. So, whether you are a budding artist exploring new concepts or a professional seeking innovative ways to communicate your ideas, the Magic Shape Draw Pen offers a powerful tool for unleashing your creativity and bringing your vision to life in a ways you never thought possible. Next, we have color size scale. Imagine this as you write or draw with the writing pen. You have the freedom to select from a spectrum of colors, each with its own unique shade and intensity. Whether you are highlighting key points in a presentation, annotating diagram in a lesson, or sketching ideas in a brainstorming session, the ability to switch between colors adds vibrancy and visual interest to your work. But that's not all. In addition to color option, the writing pen also offers a size scale, giving you precise control over the thickness of your lines, as you can see here. Whether you prefer bold stroke that commands attention or delicate lines that convey subtly, the size scale allows you to tailor your writing or drawing to suit your preferences and purposes. An interesting feature in the interactive flat panel with 20 touch points, enabling it to register and respond to input from up to 20 simultaneous touch interaction. This allows multiple users to engage with the screen simultaneously, making it ideal for collaborative activities, group work, or interactive presentation. Each touch point represents a distinct contact on the screen, facilitating smooth and responsive interaction for all users involved. With 20 touch points, the versatility and usability of the interactive flat panel are enhanced, making it suitable for various educational, business, or creative applications where multiple users need to engage with the content at the same time. This is called select. If I write any word, for example, I'll write cornea here. Now I need to make it more professional way, then I click on select. In select option, there are 7 tools that are color, smart write, search, flip, top, clone, and delete. In the color option, users have access to 4 distinct color palettes, allowing them to finely adjust the shade and hue of their writing or drawing. You can see here. This versatility enhances creativity and precision in visual communication tasks. Within the SmartWrite tool, user can seamlessly convert handwriting into digital font writing. While also benefiting from a grammar correction features, this capability streamlines the transition from analog to digital format and ensure polished and professional looking content. When activating the search tool, users are seamlessly directed to their default web browser, where relevant information related to the selected term is automatically queried using a popular search engine such as Google. I'll click on search. This integration enhances research efficiency and expands access to external resources. With the flip feature, users can dynamically transform the orientation of the screen or images both vertically and horizontally. This functionality offers flexibility in visual presentation, accommodating various viewing preferences and optimizing content layout. The diverse color option not only enhance writing and drawing tasks but also foster creativity and expression. User can choose from a range of colors to suit their preferences and convey their ideas with precision and style. The next feature is eraser. The eraser feature offers convenient options for effortlessly removing any unwanted marks or content from previous writing. Users can adjust the size of the eraser using a scalable control, allowing for precise deletion of specific elements or broader stroke, as you can see. Moreover, the interface supports intuitive erasing gestures such as using one palms, further simplifying the process and enhancing user convenience. With these functionalities, correcting and refining content becomes as straightforward as it appears, promoting seamless interaction and productivity. The next option here is the ruler. The ruler option presents a comprehensive set of tools including the square, triangle, protractor, designed to facilitate precise measurements, alignments, and geometric constructions. User can utilize these tools to underline spellings, create shapes with straight edges, and perform a variety of other functions requiring accuracy and alignment, whether it's outlining the key points, drafting diagrams, or ensuring consistent formatting. The ruler tools empower users to achieve professional results with ease and efficiency. In shape, there are two dimension, 2D and 3D. A two-dimensional shape can be defined as a flat figure or a shape that has two dimensions, length and width. A two-dimensional shape refers to a flat figure or object that exists in two-dimensional, typically represented on a plane or surface. Such shape possesses two measurable dimensions, length and width. Example of 2D shapes include square, circle, triangle and rectangles, among others. These shapes are characterized by their outline or perimeter and do not have depth or volume. In a sense, they are representations that exist solely on a flat surface with no thickness. Exactly in geometry, three-dimensional shapes are solid figures that have three dimensions: length, width, and height. These shapes occupy space and have volume unlike their two-dimensional counterparts. Common example of 3D shapes includes cubes, spheres, pyramids, cylinders, and cones. Each of these shapes has distinct characteristics based on their dimension and properties, such as the number of faces, edges, and vertex. Understanding 3D shapes is fundamental in fields such as architecture, engineering, and computer graphics, where spatial relationship and measurements are essential. Next, we have partition. The partition are an excellent tool for dividing a screen into multiple sections, each dedicated to different tasks such as writing, drawing, or creating diagrams. This functionality is particularly beneficial for study purposes, providing students and researchers with a versatile workspace to engage in various activities simultaneously. By partitioning the screen, users can allocate specific sections for different tasks, enhancing an organization efficiency. For example, one partition can be designed for note-taking or writing essay, while another can be used for brainstorming ideas or sketching diagrams. This setup allows users to seamlessly transition between different activities without disturbing their workflow. The next option we have tables. Tables are effective for organizing and displaying data in a structured format, making it easier for viewers to interpret and analyze. Each row and column can represent different categories or variables, allowing for comparison and identification of patterns or trends. There is also one more interesting tool which is called mind map. In here, you can use mapping for bullet points, which are beneficial for corporate as well as educational industries. Mind mapping allows user to organize thoughts and concept in hierarchical structure, with main ideas branching out into subtopics. You can add the subpoints here. This organization aids in clarifying complex information and identifying key relationship between different elements. In educational settings, mind mapping serves a valuable study aid, helps students to visually organize and review course material. By creating visual summaries of topics, students can reinforce learning, improve retention, and make connection between related concepts. Next, we have option sticky notes. User can create digital sticky notes to jot down their ideas, reminders, or key points during meeting, session, or lectures. These notes provides a quick and flexible way to capture thoughts and insight in real time. Sticky notes can be used to create to-do list, prioritize tasks, and track project milestone. User can organize and rearrange sticky notes on the interactive flat panel to visualize workflow and manage project efficiently. Next, we have preview tool. The preview tool provides users with a visual representation of how their notes will appear once they are finalized. This allows users to see how their text, images, drawings, and other content elements are arranged on the page. User can make any necessary edits or formatting adjustment directly within the preview mode. These may include resizing images, repositioning text boxes, adjusting font styles, or adding additional content. The next tool we have grid tool. The grid tool is a great way to organize and highlight concept in notes while avoiding spelling mistakes. By providing a structured layout, it helps maintain clarity and consistency in your notes. You can use the grid to neatly arrange your ideas, ensuring that each concept is presented clearly and without errors. Whether you are taking notes during a lecture, brainstorming ideas, or organizing information for a project, the grid tool can help you stay organized and focused while minimizing the risk of spelling mistakes. The next option here, undo, redo. The provision of pages in the interactive flat panel offers users ample space to capture and develop their ideas without limitation. With more than 250 pages available, user can explore and expand upon their concept extensively, ensuring that there is always enough room for creativity and exploration. What I'm about to share with you is one of the finest tools. It's called Annotation. With Annotation, I can create multiple screens, capture anything in a screenshot, and transfer it to the whiteboard. Let's have a look. Annotation sounds like a versatile and efficient tool. It seems like it would be incredibly helpful for tasks that involve visual communication and collaboration. Being able to create multiple screen capture, screenshot, and seamlessly transfer to the whiteboard could enhance creativity that streamline the sharing of ideas. Another option we have here, clean delete. The clean delete option sounds like a convenient feature for quickly clearing all annotation and starting fresh. It's great to hear that the tool also offers option for saving your work, ensuring that you can keep track of your annotation and refer back to them as needed. And having multiple sharing options available adds another layer of versatility. Here you can see, allowing you to easily collaborate and distribute your annotated content with others. The last option here is the transcript. The trans screen seems like a versatile option for a multitasking across different devices. It's convenient that it supports multiple devices simultaneously, enabling seamless connectivity for tablet, laptop, and cell phones. However, the requirement for all devices is to be on the same Wi-Fi connection. Might be a limitation in some scenarios, especially if you are trying to connect devices from different network or location. Overall, it sounds like a handy tool for streamlining your workflow or entertainment experiences. The interactive flat panel sounds like a robust and flexible option for both work and entertainment purposes. With support for multiple operating systems such as Android version up to 12, 13, 14 and Windows version of 10 and 11. Users have the freedom to choose the platform that best suits their needs. The range of configuration from 4 GB to 16 GB RAM and 32 GB to 256 GB internal storage provides ample power and storage capacity for various tasks. Moreover, the availability of panel in sizes ranging from 55 inches to 110 inches ensure that users can select the appropriate size based on their workspace or viewing preferences. The versatility, combined with its processing capabilities, makes the interactive flat panel a compelling choice for individuals and businesses alike who require reliable and adaptable display solutions. I hope you have found this information about the Cornea Interactive Flat Panel informative and enjoyable. For more information, please visit our website, link in description book, live demo session for complete transparency, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for updates and more informative videos like this. Thank you very much.